Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is the most recommended video on my Instagram, which is the DIY pressed flower bookmark, and I'll be using the bougainvillea flowers to be doing this. So let's get into the process. The first thing you gotta do is pick any flower of your choice. It could be roses or anything which doesn't turn black after a long period of time. Bougainvillea are the best flowers for that purpose. They do not turn black and they dry out pretty soon. So I'm going to be using those flowers. The next thing you gotta do after picking your flowers is letting them for dry. You can use a book for this purpose, and make sure you separate the petals properly and have enough space between each petal so that they do not stick to each other and get spoiled. The very next day you get the pressed version of the flowers, but they do not really dry up completely. This process might take you 5 to 6 days or even a week or more, depending on the flower you use. For me, it took around 5 days to get this texture, the papery texture. Make sure that the petals are not sticking to each other and they're completely dried before use, so that your bookmark doesn't get spoiled. And once you get this texture, they're all ready to be used and to be laminated. Randomly place your petals on a lamination sheet in any way you want and any flower you want. And once you place them accordingly, you can go to your nearest lamination store, or if you have a lamination machine, laminate it. And accordingly, you can cut it in any shape you would like it to be. And once you finish cutting the lamination sheets according to what shape you would like it to be, I think you're all set to use it as bookmarks and read a lot of books. If this video was helpful for you and you could learn something from this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.